Okay, we're going to look at Swash Plate 2 rotor head grip link construction. This is on page 6 of the manual, and this same technique will work later on as we do the servo to swash plate connections. Align provides several measurements, 57.5 millimeter between center of the ball link to center of the ball link. 42 millimeters is the actual length of the push rod, and 27 millimeters is the visible length when it's complete. I have typically used the center ball link to center ball link. I have an old ball link comparator. I actually use a digital caliper to set the distance from one ball to the other. This is set at 57.5 millimeters, and we'll use that to actually build the links. Now I've already got one of the links built and out of the way. One of the tricks we wanted to show here, when you initially try to thread these links, they can be very difficult. What I've found is if I take the link, and I'm going to use a standard 3x10 or 3x12 millimeter bolt, and I am simply going to pre-thread the link. I used a bolt as a way to thread the link. I use my power driver. I carefully run the screw in, take it back out, and we can repeat the exact same process essentially on each link end. All this is doing is providing a pre-thread for the link. That started. Easiest way to hold this, use the ball link pliers, grab this. Once the link begins to thread, I normally use one of my driver tips just to spin these in. Okay, I know this one has to be threaded in until we're almost out of thread. We'll get this one close, then set this on the ball link comparator, and this just has to be close for right now. Okay, we're showing this one sets on here very well. My other link is actually off just a little by a little bit long. Okay, pretty much spot on there. Now the fine tuning of this will be done when we actually install the rotor blades and do zero pitch settings with the flybarless system. This exact same setup, using a comparator or using something to measure center to center, as well as pre-threading the links, you're going to use this exact same technique when you do the servo to swash plate links later in the system. Thank you.